Welcome back to Straight from the Experts Christmas episode. Today naman gagawa tayo ng dalawang dishes, of course, using our majestic ham for your Noche Buena. And kasama ko today will be Chef Martin del Prado from CCA. Chef Martin, hello.
Hello, Chef Jose.
Thank you so much for joining me today. It's an honor and I'm really glad to be here. Chef, you can tell us a bit about CCA.
Yes, of course, yeah. First of all, I'd like to welcome you to the Center for Culinary Arts Manila. It was started around 1996 or 1997. We offer several courses.
CCA kasi parang hindi lang siya for like mga expert chefs, yung mga kahit mga beginners na gusto mag-aral maging chef, pwede rin chef.
That's right.
So Chef Martin, ano ba yung first dish natin today?
Okay, our first dish is called migas con chocolate. Kumbaga, para siyang champurrado ng Spain.
Oh. Garlic muna tayo, Chef.
Try a little bit. Ayan.
Alright.
And then can I have the ham now?
Okay, syempre, ang star of the show, our majestic ham.
Yeah. Ito na yung ating coarsely chopped na majestic ham.
Yan. So, Chef, for this recipe, roughly how much ham do we need?
1 cup.
1 cup of ham,
Yes.
okay.
This will be good for about 2 to 3 persons.
3 servings siya, okay.
And of course, meron din tayong Spanish chorizo na crumbled, no?
Okay. Chef, kung wala tayong Spanish chorizo or medyo pricey siya, meron ba tayong backup na pwedeng gamitin?
Siguro pwede mo rin i-try gumamit ng longganisa.
Longganisa yung sasabihin ko, na pwede rin different, no? Medyo different texture din siya.
And then gusto lang natin maging crispy ng konti yung ating majestic ham.
Okay.
So kung mapapansin niyo, no, very oily siya. Tama yung sinabi mo, Chef.
Yes.
Nag-iba yung color niya.
yung
So,
color.
if I can have the croutons now.
Yes, you may.
Eto na.
Here you go, Chef.
Eto na yung magical moment.
Yes.
Maglalagay na tayo ng croutons.
I'm sure ang goal nito is ma-absorb ng oil
Exactly.
into the bread. Ayan, syempre, para hindi siya maging too oily.
Yes. This is the most exciting part, yung pinaplate na siya.
Ito na yung exciting part, mga kapuso. Ito na yan. We're adding our chocolate to... Wow, look at that. Pag-pour pa lang...
More, Chef, more?
Pag-pour pa lang, parang sobrang mas lalo nagugutom ako. Yan.
Okay.
Wow. At ayan, tapos na ang migas con chocolate. So moving on to our next dish. Chef, what is our next dish?
Okay, for our next dish, gagawa tayo ng ham mousse. Okay, so ang first step natin, ito ang ating cream cheese.
Yan muna, yung cream cheese first.
Yeah.
The quality of your ingredients is very important. Kasi kung ano yung quality ng ingredients mo, yun din yung kalabasan ng dish mo.
Yun ang kalalabasan. Tama. Oh, that's a good point.
Yes.
Tama yan. Ako.
So next
ayan
naman,
na.
ang ham natin.
Ito na yung ating ham, no?
Yes.
1 teaspoon.
Okay.
Cayenne pepper.
For that smoky flavor.
For the smoky flavor, yes.
And then next is
Lemon juice.
lemon juice for the zesty flavor naman.
Yes, oo. And then, ilalagay din tayo ng mga 1 teaspoon na mustard, black pepper, and konting salt. No?
So, Chef, yung parsley is more for color or for flavor?
For flavor, color, tsaka makikita mo kasi you make bits and pieces of texture.
Green,
yung
yes.
ating-
Because green actually brings out the vibrant sea of the dish.
Oo. Yeah, sige,
Okay,
lagyan mo
lagyan
lang.
na natin
Okay.
dyan ang parsley.
Thank you.
Yes.
The moment of truth.
Wow, it looks really good, Chef. Parang talagang nag-really combine yung ingredients natin.
Oo, oo. We're now going to assemble. You can get a little bit of butter.
Okay.
Konting butter, yan.
Yes.
Okay, ang purpose ng butter, para siyang glue.
Glue for our lettuce.
Yes.
Ayan.
We can now add our filling into the piping bag. And then, you can sort of just make it go around. And hindi naman siya kailangan perfect. Kahit medyo rustic lang.
Just play around kung whatever design you want.
Oo. And then, some black, ito yung i-slice mo na
Yes.
olives.
So yan, yung pimientos naman natin.
Yeah.
Wow, ayan.
So, ayan.
So chef, gawa pa tayo.
Okay, sige. Game.
At ayan mga kapuso, tapos na ang dalawang Noche Buena ham recipes natin for today. Siyempre, ang migas con chocolate and our Christmas ham mousse. Chef Martin, thank you so much for today.
Thank you. I hope para sa mga viewers natin, sana subukan niyo itong dalawang dishes natin. Sigurado ko magugustuhan niyo siya. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm sure, Chef, kayang-kaya nilang gawin sa mga bahay nila.
Kayang-kaya.
And Chef, where can our viewers find you?
Okay, so you can find me here sa Center for Culinary Arts Manila. Meron din akong Facebook page, no? It's simply called Chef Marty, M-A-R-T-Y.
Oh, okay. So look for Chef there. Ako naman, please look for me at my Instagram, TikTok, X, Facebook, at Chef Jose Sarasola for easy and quick recipes na kayang-kaya niyo gawin sa mga bahay ninyo. And of course, please visit gmanetwork.com/lifestyle. So Chef, thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you.